Welcome back again, guys. So here is this one info, and if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell for more future updates. So guys, in this tutorial I want us to learn how to connect our HTTP Injector VPN to our PC or laptop without any third-party app. So we are just going to connect it directly from the VPN, which is the HTTP Injector, to our PC. So let's start by opening the VPN. So this is the HTTP custom, and if you don't have it, kindly go to the Play Store and download it. So after downloading it, make sure you have a working file, an active file. Make sure you have an active file. Then you click on start to start the connection. You click on the start button, click on it, you go to the logs and make sure it is connected. So let's wait for it to connect. So it is connected. Then you go to tools. Tools. Then from tools you come to the tethering tools, this button, click on it. Then you come and select hot share. Then you click on this button, start Wi-Fi hotspot. Click on it to start the Wi-Fi hotspot. Then you come and click on start hot share. Click on it. So now we've initiated the hotspot. So we've turned it on. So we are moving to our PC. So on our PC we are going to type these codes, this IP. Good. Then we use this port, the 44355. That's the port that we are going to use for this particular VPN, the HTTP Injector. Then we use this IP address. So you can write it down somewhere so that it won't take much of your time. So let's quickly move to our PC or laptop and configure or continue the rest of the settings over there. So here you are going to continue with the settings. So you go to the notification area. Then you click on the globe icon. Then you turn on the Wi-Fi. So make sure you connect it to your phone's hotspot. So you make sure it is connected. So let's go to, as there was no data, let's go to the internet and search something. So let's search for dogs and see if it will come. So it didn't come, which means there is no data. Let's search for another thing just to clear the doubt. So let's search for mails. That one too didn't come. So let's go and configure it and see what happens next. So you go to the globe, that is the notification area. See, there is no internet. So you click on the network and internet settings. Then you go to proxy. Then you come to use a proxy server. So here you input or you type in the IP address that you got from the VPN. You type in the IP address there. Then here you come to the port. So the port was 44355. So you type in the port, the same thing that you wrote down from the VPN. After that you come to save. You come and click on the save button a couple of times. So after a couple of times you leave it. Then you go to the browser or YouTube, anywhere, Chrome. You go there, then you search for anything or the old this in that we search, you can search for anything to check whether the internet is active now or not. So let's search for docs, the same docs, and see what happens. Okay, so it has been displayed. It means it is connected. Okay, so this is how to connect your HTTP Injector VPN to your laptop. It's very simple. Just follow the tutorial, the steps. You'll be able to achieve the same result. Okay, so guys, so if you are new to this channel, can you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell for more future updates?